Software configuration options for RAID array. RAID 0 requires at least 2 drives. Its principal advantage is to improve the performance by spreading the disk input and outputs over multiple drives. The logical volume size of the combined total of the smallest capacity disk, physical disk, in the array. If the disks are different sizes, the size of the smallest disk in the array determines the amount of space used from the larger drives. Because the data is spread out, there's no redundancy in this method and no true RAID implementations. If one disk fails, the whole array will fail as well. RAID 1 mirroring requires 2 disks as well. The second disk in the array is a mirror disk, a duplicate of the data, a duplicate of the data disk. This creates true redundancy, protecting the system from single disk failure. Also improves performance somewhat. If one disk fails, also known as degrading, the other disk just takes over. RAID 5, stripped with distributed parity. Now this requires 3 drives but can be configured with more. RAID 5 writes error checking information across all the disks in the array. The data and the parity and the information are managed on 2 separate disks always. The third disk in the array is set aside for parity. If a single disk is degrading, the information is spread across the remaining disks to allow the data to be reconstructed completely. Consequently, the read and write options suffer reduced performance when a drive fails. RAID 1 plus 0, or called RAID 10, some may call it a nested RAID. Also known as a nested RAID, is combined of RAID 0, which provides the highest throughput, the input and output options, and RAID 1, which is the highest fault tolerance achievable. So when one disk fails, the other one can pick up and there's still no failing the system. So the redundancy is created with RAID 1, and RAID 0 provides a good input and output options for the disk to read and write. A logical strip, if a logical stripped volume is configured with 2 mirror arrays, one disk in the mirror can fail and the array will still function. And there you have it. That's what I have for you for RAID array software configuration options. My name is DeMarco Flowers. Thanks.